Do you want some money? Do you want some Benjamins? By creating your own design? Well, if you want that, stay tuned. What's up? I'm back. Ash is back with another value pack video for you, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make money creating your own design. It's free, you don't have to spend no money, and this video is beginner friendly, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. First, we want to go to a site called teespring.com. I'll leave it in the description, and once you click on teespring.com, this is where we're gonna create our designs. So register on the site. After registering on the site, you'll say start design. So basically, these guys, whenever you sell a design that you create, they make money, you make a commission out of the money. So you can do any design. As you can see, there's face masks, there's cups, there's phone covers, there's stickers, there's tops, there's socks, there's millions of things. Let's start with a skipper. So what we want to do, we want to create a nice design. So to get your logo or your design, you come to a site called cleanpng.com. cleanpng.com, it has images that are clean, which has no background. So we'll come and say dragon. I'll use this just for the purposes of this tutorial, but you can use anything depending on what niche you are in. So once you search here, it will bring a whole lot of images that you can use, and from there you can decide which one to use. Okay, I can see there's no DBZ, so I'm gonna use this design. Let's use the covert. Okay, I think the covert one is a bad idea. Let's search other things like dragons, just plain dragons. Oh, there's awesome stuff with plain dragons. I like this here. So whichever one you like, you click on it, and then you come to free download, because it's for free. These are royalty free images, so you can use them anywhere and you won't get in trouble using these images. So let's wait for it to download. Let's move my face. Yeah, downloaded, man. So after that, you come back to your design. You can add text. You can say Dragonator. Move this around. You can delete this, we don't need this, and then after saying this, we go add our image. So your design has to look like nice, appealing, because you want people to buy your stuff, so it should be appealing. So as you can see, it's written Dragonator, and you can choose the colors here. Let me choose black. That looks nice. I think let's choose black. So as you can see, whenever I sell this t-shirt or whenever I sell this product, I'm gonna get a profit of $17. Meaning if I sell 10, let's say $18, round it off. If I sell 10 items like this, it's $180, and I'm spending nothing on it. I'm just marketing it for free. So after you're happy with your design, press continue. So to get paid with Teespring, you have to have a PayPal account so that they can pay your money into your PayPal account. So what I also like about the site is that it will load your design on other things that you can see. For example, like leggings, it will load it on long sleeve, kids and babies, tank tops, socks. It will load your design basically everywhere. So if you design this, doesn't mean you can't choose other designs where it loaded on. But for this tutorial, we're choosing our design that we created. Select design. So there's many designs here, as you can see. We can select any one of them. Don't be scared. After you select, say done. I selected this one and continue. After continuing, just give it a name. Drag. And publish it. So it will load. So next page, it will show your product, the description, the price. So in order for you to start promoting this item, you're going to copy this link. You're going to go to your Facebook. Listen, pay attention, go to your Facebook. Because this is where we're going to start promoting. We can promote other places. You can use Pinterest, you can use Instagram, you can use other places. But we want to promote where we already have a good audience. So as you can see, I already promoted a few as an example. So these are the ones I promoted. So you can take this link and what's on your mind, just copy that link there. You write the description like any description, like get yours today. So you don't, I'm not going to post it for this video, but you can do anything like this. Whatever you want to write, you can write. So when people click on your link, for example, if they click on this link, it will take them to the page with the price, the description, and whenever someone buy, you're going to get $18, which is awesome. Awesome. There's also another site where you can get designs from. This is the hack. This is a very interesting part. The other place is called placeit.com. So placeit.net. placeit.net. This is where you can get more designs. And on this site, it's actually very awesome because there's like online mannequins where you can make the online mannequins wear your clothes. If you go free mock-up, like your design that you made in Teespring, come here and okay, there's a pay site. It's not a free site. This site you have to pay a monthly subscription. So basically there'll be free mock-ups here. You can upload your design and people will be wearing it like this. As you can see, people will be wearing it when you upload your design. Let it load. Let me show you. This gets more credibility actually, so people will be more trustable to buy your product, which is awesome. Because someone is wearing, obviously, it's like a model wearing your t-shirt. But this is paid, as I said. I haven't yet paid the monthly subscription. That's why I don't have the subscription to the site. But you can basically check the site out, and you can also make designs from the site. There's cool designs on the site, and it's fast to create a design. So you can go upload image, and whatever design you wanna. It's taking long to load. So if I go upload image, voila, watch it. Yes, can you see the design is loaded? So basically, upload logo, add text. So you can also create designs on here and skippers and things. It's very powerful. The site is called placeit.com. I'll put it in the description. Yes, so this is basically the way, but Teespring is a better way to go. This is a way where you can create your design for free, sell it, and get a profit. without spending any money. This is a good way to make money for beginners, and you can advertise this link here in your URL on your Instagram page, on your YouTube channel, and on your Facebook. Thanks guys for watching. Don't be scared. Leave a like and subscribe. I got more videos coming out for you, more tips and tricks that you can use to make money, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm doing affiliate marketing basically. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and enjoy your